welcome back to my channel. Julie Nicole here with all your thrifting and DIY needs. This week I made two plant stands for my living room, so if you want to figure out how to make them, stay tuned. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. To start, I'm just going to cut some wood. I went ahead and did some cutting beforehand, but I wanted to show you my full process. If you don't have a saw, don't worry. Lowe's and Home Depot will actually cut stuff for you for free. It's in the back in the lumber section. There's a saw, you just have to ask someone to do it for you. So don't worry if you don't have one, this is still a DIY you can do. Okay, let's get started. So really embarrassing, I don't have like normal hardware glasses, so I use sunglasses. Be better than me, get real glasses. Alright, now that we've cleaned up the sawdust, we're going to put down, I just ripped open a trash can, but if you have newspapers or anything, just put something down to protect your surface. And we're going to spray paint the wood we just cut. So I'm using gold. I brought black because I thought it might be cool to do some black, but the more I thought about it, I don't like the Steelers, and gold and black are very Steelery. So I think I'm just going to do gold for now, and then if I think I need something, I'll just go back and do it later. So. Alright, we're going to give it 30 minutes and then we're going to flip and then do the last side. So. Now we wait again. Guys, now that everything is dry, we are going to make our stands. I already made one just ahead of time so it's easier for me to show you what I'm doing. But basically the first thing we're going to do is make two rectangles, and that is just by combining two 5-inch pieces with two of your longer pieces. Now I went ahead and I made one side already, so I'm just going to redo that. And you're going to probably need a drill and a screwdriver. With the tight corners, it's hard to use a drill. So what I recommend is pre-drilling the screw holes like I did here, and that way you can go back in with a screwdriver and it's a little easier. So we're going to take our brackets, put them over our pilot holes, and then just screw them in. Alright, now that both of our rectangles are made, we're now going to connect them together. So as you can see right here, just these two pieces. We're not going to use brackets for this because then our screws would be hitting each other. So you're just going to get, I have 1 1/4 inch screws and you're just gonna take these and you're gonna screw them. I don't think you can see this. You're just gonna take this, put it here, I'll do the one closer. Put it here and then screw from the outside in. Simple enough. Alright guys, and just like that, you are done your second one. You can leave it like this if you want, and then just put a plant in it and call it a day. You can also go back and spray your hardware gold. You can paint your hardware gold. I think I'm gonna leave it just because I kind of like it, and then I can always go back and color it if I want. But I'm also gonna add string and wrap this around. So let's do that. Most of that was me untangling. I'm going to show you guys the other one as well. This one is going to be a lot more because it is so tall. So hopefully it is not awkward to do on camera. There we go. So now we have 2 wrapped stands, and now we can go put plants in them and put them in their spot. Well, thanks guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. I am really happy with how these turned out, and I think they look great in my living room. Thanks guys.